Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change equalizer on Spotify for better audio quality. So you want to open Spotify and you want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. From over here you want to click on settings and privacy. From inside here you want to click on playback. From playback you can see the option called equalizer. If you don't see it, scroll a bit down and click on equalizer. And at the top you can see the graph looking thingy. You can manage your equalizer from over here. So as you guys can see, you can play around with it. Now I cannot show you the exact graph or like the exact thing you need to do for like a better audio quality on your equalizer, because the audio quality of different phone is different, because different companies' phone have different audio system, which means different speakers. So I cannot tell you what works best for you, but the setting which works best for me is this. I just put this on high and then I just like gradually make it just like this. So this is like the best setting for my phone. I don't know for yours, but if you want to copy it, you can copy it. And if you like it, you can use it. If you don't, you can just play around with some of these settings until you find the perfect quality you want, and basically you're good to go. Just make sure the equalizer option is on at the bottom. So hope you understand how you guys can change equalizer on Spotify for better audio quality. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.